Morning students, welcome back to the e-class of St. Joseph's Academy, Mariam Nagar, Ghaziabad, Class 1. Subject is Mathematics. Topic Review Worksheet 1, given on page number 11, presented by your mathematics teacher, Miss Nikita Kane. Quick recap. Students, before starting today's class, let us revise what we have studied in the previous class. So, in the previous class, we have learned page number 10. The topic was largest and smallest numbers. Today's class. In today's class, we are going to learn page number 11. Topic is Review Worksheet 1. In this worksheet, all the topics that we have covered in the last week, we are going to do the questions based on all the topics. Question number 1 is write the missing numbers. What are missing numbers? Missing numbers are the numbers that got missed in the given series of numbers with similar differences among them. The process of writing the missing numbers is termed as finding similar changes between those numbers and filling their missing values in their series and places. Now let us see the question. Question is this: 15, 16, dash, 18, dash, 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 23, dash, 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 and 27. The boxes that you are able to see in yellow are given blank in your box. These are the missing numbers, the numbers which are missed in the given series. Now we have to fill the missing numbers in the yellow boxes. So let us see how we will write the missing numbers. Now see the question. Number 1 number, what is written? It is written 15. Then after 15 is written 16. That means in counting, if we count, 16 comes after 15. We count like this: 15, 16, 17 and so on. So from this we came to know that in this series we have to count forward and write the missing numbers. So let us start counting and fill in the missing numbers. 15, after 15, 16, then 17, then 18, then 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Question number 2. Count backwards and fill in. Count backwards means in this question we have to do backward countings. So let us see the questions and fill in the blanks with counting backwards. So what is the question is? Question is 48, 47 and then some blanks are given. In those blanks we have to fill the backward countings. We have to count backwards and fill in. So let us start. Question is 48, 47. Then we will count on backwards. After 47 what will come? 46. Then 45. Then 44. Then 43. Then 42. Then 41. Then 40. Then 39. Question number 3 is fill in the blanks. We have to see the question and then we have to fill in the blanks. Now let us see what the question is. Question is 26, 28, dash, 32, dash, 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 42, dash, dash, dash and 50. The blanks you are able to see in yellow color, these are the blanks that we have to fill in. Now let us see how we will write the answers. 26 and after 26 is written 28. And what comes in between 26 and 28? 27. Here you can see that 27 is skipped. We have left 27 and then 28 is written. So by this we came to know that in this series we have to leave one number, we have to skip one number and then we have to count on and write the answers. So let us see 26, then 28, then we will leave 29, we will skip 29 and write 30. Then after 30 comes 31, we will skip 31 and we will write 32. After 32 comes 33, we will skip 33 and write 34. After 34 comes 35, we will skip 35 and we will write 36. After 36 comes 37, we will skip 37 and we will write 38. After 38 comes 39, we will skip 39 and write 40. After 40 comes 41, we will skip 41 and we will write 42. After 42 comes 43. We will skip 43 and we will write 44. After 44 comes 45. We will skip 45 and we will write 46. After 46 comes 47. We will skip 47 and we will write 48. After 48 comes 49. We will skip 49 and we will write 50. Question number 4 is what comes before and after? Some numbers are given and we have to write what comes before them and what comes after them. So let us start. Number A, 10. Students, always remember that if a question is asked to write what comes before and what comes after, that means the number which is given in question, in that question on the left hand side you have to write what comes before that number, and on the right hand side if a blank is given, that means in that blank you have to fill or you have to write what comes after that number. Like in this question 10 is given, and in this 10 in this question on the left hand side one blank is given and on the right hand side another blank is given. That means on the left hand side we will write what comes before 10 and we will write on the right hand side what comes after 10. So what comes before 10? 9. And on the right hand side what comes after 10? That is 11. So answers are 9 and 11. 9, 10, 11. B, 15. On the left hand side what comes before 15? That is 14. On the right hand side what comes after 15? That is 16. 14, 15, 16. Answers are 14 and 16. C, 29. On the left hand side what comes before 29? That is 28. And what comes after 29? That is on the right hand side. That is 30. 28, 29, 30. Answers are 28 and 30. D, 48. Left hand side what comes before 48? That is 47. Right hand side what comes after 48? That is 49. 47, 48, 49. Answers are 47 and 49. Question 5. Write the numbers between. That means numbers are given, left hand side, right hand side and middle blank is given. in that blank you have to fill the number which will come in between both the numbers. So let us start. Number A, 8 and 10. 8 and 10 is given. So what will come in between? What comes in between 8 and 10? 9. If we are counting the numbers, or we are counting, then what we get in between 8 and 10? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Students, now you can see that what came in between 8 and 10? 9. So what we will write the answer? We will write 9. Number B, 19 dash 21. What comes in between 19 and 21? Again you will do the counting and then you will write the answers. What will come in between 19 and 21? 20. 20 is answer. 19, 20, 21. What came in between? 20. So 20 is the answer. Number C, 30 dash 32. In this also you will count and then write the answer. 30, 31, 32. What came in between 30 and 32? 31. So the answer is 31. D, 44 dash 46. Again you will count and then write the answer. 44, 45, 46. What came in between 44 and 46? 45. So 45 is the answer. Question number 6 is write greater than, less than or equal to. In this question, numbers are given. You have to compare the numbers. Which one is the greater number? Which one is the lesser number? And then you have to put the signs of greater than, less than or equal to. Number A, 33 and 43. So please see that which number is the greater number. We can see that 43 is greater than 33. So we will put the sign of greater than towards 43. That means the mouth of the sign will be open at 43. Number B, 16 and 8. Now you can see that 16 is greater than 8. So you will put the sign of greater than towards 16. You will open the mouth of the sign at the side of 16. Number C, 45 and 45. 45 and 45, both the sides 45 is written. They both are same. They both are equal. So we will use the sign equal to. 45 is equal to 45. Number D, 23 and 32. 32 is greater than 23. So you will put the sign of greater than. We will open the mouth of the sign towards 32. Question number 7 is write the number names. You have to write the number names. That means you have to write the spelling of the numbers. Number A, 4. So here you have to write the number name or spelling of 4. Number name of 4 is F-O-U-R 4. F-O-U-R 4. B, 7. Number name of 7 is S-E-V-E-N 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. C, 8. Number name of 8 is E-I-G-H-T 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. D, 12. Number name of 12 is T-W-E-L-V-E 12. TWELVE 12. E. 23. Number name of 23 is TWENTY 20, THREE 3. 23. TWENTY 20, THREE 3. 23. 44. Number name of 44 is FORTY 40, FOUR 4. 44. FORTY 40, FOUR 4. 44. Students, please note down your homework. Your homework is to complete page number 11, that is review worksheet 1 in your mathematics book. My dear students, thank you so much for listening to me very patiently. I hope to meet you again in our next mathematics class. Till then, be safe and complete your homework.